Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today blog is about the apricot, in Urdu Khubani, and in our own language it's called chuli. Here is a apricot tree. I'm just under the tree of the apricot. There are different kind of apricot in Baltistan. Name is Karfochuli, Rowan, Halman, Wafuchuli, Hochuli, Postar chuli, and many others kind of apricot are here. It's a halman. This one we dry it with acid, and the others apricot which can be used by peeling and just dry on the sunlight. I will show you. That's also in this video. Let's see, guys. We are just taking out some wafuchuli for today eat. We eat it with chafe. In Urdu it called sattu. So we just collect a little bit for eating. Guys, and these trees are too high, so we cannot take it with a hand. So we using this stick to throw them down. So it's my nephew. Minsa is using this stick to them put down. Let's see, and we just drop it on here, then we collect it and dry it. It is a halman, so we just wash it, dry on the under sunlight. Guys, we just wash the apricot like here Minsa doing. In this pot there is an apricot. We use this process for drying the apricot also, and for the eating we also use this process. Let's see, she was washing it. There is a full bucket of apricot. Show me, Minsa, show me the apricot. Here is the apricot, very beautiful and very tasty. It's a wafuchuli. We eat it with sattu, and in one language we call chafe. So it's very increased its taste. It is a full of apricot, and this is called chafe, and in Urdu we call sattu. And here Ayan and Minsa eating the apricot. Let's see, first peel it and remove the seed and using chafe, and now it's eating. Yeah. Mamula. Guys, it is we are now drying the apricot. It is a halman chuli, yani halman apricot, which is just dry with acid. You see, at home we are using a natural process for drying. In the market you get a sulfite used apricot which is looking red, but they are using a chemical. But at home we use just a natural process for drying. Guys, this is also apricot. We just different grinding and make a slice of the apricot. You see there we make many using a plate for this. After it dry, we just peel it from here, but it's still not dry, so we take market. You cannot get these slices because this slice only used for we use home. In market there is no value of it, so we cannot sell it. This is also we drying the process of apricot, in which we remove the seed. It's we use for the halma Yeah, this kind of a dry fruit, this kind of apricot that we dry are the hochuli, hochuli, hostar and wafuchuli. We make this process because we need that seed. That seed is a very expensive, and from the ho and hostar we make a oil from it, and this is also the natural process we use for drying it.